Hello guys, it's me Zena and welcome back to my channel Zoom with Zena. So today, as you can probably see by the setup, it's not going to be an educational and informative video as always. It's actually going to be a casual video. We're gonna have a little chit chat and mostly it's gonna be a small thank you message for Khaleej Times. And if you're all probably wondering why, last week I won the best point of view entry for the weekend magazine that comes from Khaleej Times, and they gave me a gift. So today, in front of all of you, I'm going to be unboxing the gift. Well, I won't really tell you what it is, but when we unbox it, then you can see what it's going to be.
So guys, as you can see, I won an air purifier from Hitachi and it's amazing. So it's a compact white model and it is controlled by a remote. It has all sorts of facilities like purifying the air, of course, deodorizing it, and it can also detect the pollen level in the air. It has a timer and also indicates the airflow rate. This prize is honestly such a great one, not only for me but for the whole family.
Now I feel like this victory should be celebrated together because of the air purifier. I would once again like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Khaleej Times. I am so proud and elated to have won this, especially because of something I truly enjoy doing, that is reading and writing. I would also like to encourage all of you to participate in such activities and always keep yourselves indulged in the world of productivity, because truly, sky is not the limit. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye! They accepted my letter. Yeah. Feel like this in